We've been around for 50 years, so maybe you thought you knew us. But sometimes it's hard to see what's right in front of you. Let's take a closer look. Because at Hebrew Foundation School, your child will learn about the world by creating their own. They'll discover their country, their voice, and just how far they can reach. Your child will rock the sciences with hands-on learning in a STEAM-based environment. Our teachers bring life to history and history to life. En français, en anglais et en hébreu. Nous insufflons la passion d'apprendre et de rêver. At Hebrew Foundation School, students follow their own path. Ils s'attaquent seuls aux problèmes, mais sachant que nous sommes là quand ils ont besoin d'un coup de main. At our school, your children will get in the game and try and try and try until they reach their goal. Learning isn't always neat and tidy. Sometimes there are boo-boos, but we're here no matter what the problem. We'll work one-on-one and in small groups to help reach their potential. We celebrate our roots, cultures, and traditions, lighting a love of Judaism that will burn for a lifetime. It's amazing what you see when you look at us with a fresh perspective. Come and see with your own eyes at our virtual open house.